Looking for a powerful budget tablet with a big display, smooth performance, and long battery life? Today on Smart Home Hub, we're reviewing the Lenovo Tab K10, also known as the M11 in some regions. With a 90Hz display, Helio G88 processor, Dolby Atmos speakers, and a massive battery, this tablet promises a lot, but is it actually worth your money? Let's find out. Starting with the design, this tablet feels premium right out of the box. It features a sleek metal body measuring just 7.15 millimeters thin and weighing around 465 grams, making it lightweight yet solid. It's easy to hold with one hand and perfect for watching content, reading, or working on the go. The overall design is minimal, modern, and practical. Now let's talk about one of the biggest highlights, the display. The Lenovo Tab comes with a 10.95-inch Full HD IPS display with 1920 by 1200 resolution, 90Hz refresh rate, 400 nits brightness. This means smooth scrolling, clear visuals, and good outdoor visibility. Whether you're watching videos, browsing, or gaming, the experience feels fluid and immersive. Plus, it includes TUV Low Blue Light certification, making it easier on your eyes during long usage. Under the hood, this tablet is powered by the MediaTek Helio G88 Octa-core processor. This chip is designed for smooth, everyday performance, light gaming, and multitasking. Paired with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, the tablet handles apps, streaming, browsing without noticeable lag in daily use. The tablet runs on Android 13 with Lenovo's ZUI interface. You get a clean and user-friendly UI, access to thousands of apps, and multi-language support. It's great for both productivity and entertainment. Here's something impressive: the audio. The Lenovo Tab features quad speakers with Dolby Atmos support, delivering louder sound, clear dialogue, and better surround effect. Whether you're watching movies or listening to music, the sound quality is surprisingly immersive for a tablet. For cameras, you get 13-megapixel rear camera and 8-megapixel front camera. These are good enough for video calls, online classes, and basic photography. Not flagship level, but definitely practical for everyday use. The tablet supports both Wi-Fi and LTE depending on the variant. Other features include Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, Beidou, and GLONASS, USB Type-C port, 3.5mm headphone jack. And yes, it also includes face recognition, making unlocking quick and convenient. Battery life is another strong point. With a 7,440 mAh battery, this tablet easily lasts a full day of usage, video streaming sessions, work, and browsing. It also supports 10-watt charging with PD 3.0, ensuring reliable power management. In real-world use, this tablet is perfect for watching YouTube and Netflix, online classes and meetings, reading and browsing, casual gaming, travel, and entertainment. It strikes a great balance between performance and portability. Pros: smooth 90Hz display, premium slim design, strong battery life, Dolby Atmos quad speakers, good performance for daily use, LTE support for selected models. Cons: not ideal for heavy gaming, charging speed could be faster, cameras are basic. Overall, the Lenovo Tab K10 is a well-balanced tablet that offers excellent value for money. If you're looking for a device for entertainment, study, or daily productivity, this tablet is definitely a solid choice in the budget category. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smart gadgets and tech reviews here on Smart Home Hub. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.